Happy Monday, class, and welcome to Unit 6. I hope each of you had a fantastic weekend and that you're ready for an exciting week. We have so many interesting topics to discuss this week, but before I get into our unit content, I wanted to let you guys know that if you log into the student portal this week, under the student login, and you check your schedule, you'll be able to see the courses that you are registered for next term. It's important that you do that at some point this week. And if you have any questions about what you're registered for, you can contact your academic success counselor. And if you need help or you don't know who that is, please contact me and I can point you in the right direction. We have so much content to cover this week. It's a really heavy unit content-wise. So I encourage you, starting today, Monday, to log in and go to the discussion board and look at the thread that I've created. And I've linked some really helpful videos and resources for you to review to help prepare you for our discussion this week. This week, we're going to be discussing academic thinking and writing. We're going to be talking about critical, creative, and analytical thinking and their role in your life as a college student, but also their role in your life as a professional in your future career. So I encourage you to log on and read more about that, and also to view the videos I have linked. One is on academic integrity, and the other is on the Covey habit for this week, sharpen the saw. So be sure to go through and read that, and I really want you to focus heavily on the academic integrity portion of Unit 6. This is really helpful information as you begin your college career to understand what academic integrity is and how you can avoid plagiarism and other breaches of that academic integrity. And then we're going to be talking heavily about the Covey habit for this week, sharpen the saw. And this habit deals all with taking care of the greatest asset you have, and that's you. If you are not balanced physically, spiritually, emotionally, mentally, it will be hard for you to practice the other 6 Covey habits. So taking care of yourself and remaining balanced is critical, and we're going to discuss the ways that we can do that and also why it's important. So lots to think about and discuss this week. If you have any questions as you get started, I just encourage you to text them to me early in the week. And also to get a head start on your reading on Monday, begin pacing yourself throughout the week so that you are not cramming near the end of the week or really overwhelmed with the amount of reading that you have to do for this week. I'm here to support you, so please reach out to me if you have any questions. Let's make it an excellent week.